I was not born with a hunger to be free. I was born free, free in every way that I could know, free to run in the fields near my mother's hut, free to swim in the stream that ran through my village, free to roast mealies under the stars and ride the broad backs of slow moving bulls. As long as I obeyed my father and abided by the customs of my tribe, I was not troubled by the laws of man or God. So he's telling when he was in the childhood, he played, he swimmed, okay. He went in the bullock. He really enjoyed a lot, okay, when he was small. He roasted mealies. Mealies means nothing but maize. He roasted. He ate in the village. He swimmed, okay. He played with his friends, and as long as he obeyed the father and the parents and all, mother, father, he was really good, okay. When he followed the rules and followed his parents, he was really good. When he followed the customs of the tribe, he was not at all troubled by the laws of man or else even God. But when did he face really the problem? That is when he became young here, okay. I was only when I began to learn that my boyhood freedom was an illusion. So his boyhood freedom, when he was very small, really he enjoyed his life. It was like an illusion, like a magic. It went on, okay. He's thinking, it is me. Is that me that I enjoy the swimming, playing in the fields, okay, and going on the bullock carts. All this he really enjoyed a lot. Is this an illusion? He was really in shock. But compared to now, when he became young, when I discovered as a young man that my freedom had already been taken from me, that I began to hunger for it. He feel like when he became young, how come my freedom is taken away from me? At first, as a student, I wanted freedom only for myself. So when he was a student, he was just thinking that he want freedom only for himself. The transitory freedoms. What is meant by transitory? Whatever he read, whatever he want to do, wherever he want to go, okay. So he want to go, and he want like selfish, okay. He want to stay alone, like he want to enjoy his life for himself, of being able to stay out at night, read what I pleased and go where I choose. He just want to enjoy his life. He want to go wherever he want to read whatever he want to become what he want to. So that was his life when he was a student. Later, as a young man in Johannesburg, later afterwards, okay, as a young man, what happened? Childhood is over. As a student, he thought that he want everything for himself. He want the freedom for himself only, he thought, when he was a student. But when he became really the young man, when he stayed in the Johannesburg, okay, I yearned for the basic and honorable freedoms of potential, of earning my keep, of marrying and having a family, the freedom obstructed in a lawful life. So he thought like he yearned means what? He really wants something for the honorable freedoms of achieving his potential. He have to earn for some, and he have to marry, and he have to lead a happy life. The freedom not to be obstructed in a lawful life. So that freedom shouldn't be. But what happened? So when he was childhood, he enjoyed. When he was a student, he thought that he want freedom for himself. And as a young man, what he want? He have to marry and settle life in a proper way, he thought. But later on, what happened? Let us